Hey guys, this is a video I never thought I'd put on here. It's just a really old video from about 8 years ago. It's my video to my visit to Hawaii in Maui, and I just did this on my phone for my old personal channel, but I just thought I'd put it on here just for you guys to have a look. Quality is terrible, but it might be interesting. Enjoy. See ya. Walk from Maui Coast Hotel, which is just on the right there, Ami, and we're going to walk to the ABC store. The beach, lifeguard, etc. Previous video about the beach. We're just a walk from the Maui Coast Hotel to the ABC store. Well, as you can tell guys, this is a really old video. This was about, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 years old. I can't remember exactly when, but just thought I'd throw it on here for a bit of fun really. This is sight.Kihei Road. You probably knew that if you're going to be staying at this hotel. A bit of extra information. 6:50 a.m. here. Like it's going to be another gorgeous day in Maui. Here is the gas station coming up. Petrol station for my English or British viewers. And here is the ABC store. That's how close it is. Yeah, I know, it looks like I filmed this through a sock or something like that. It's horrendous quality on my phone, I think it was, but I just thought I'd put it on here because, I mean, I know people love Hawaii videos and stuff like that. I mean, I love Hawaii, can't wait to go back there one day, but this was before I started doing YouTube videos properly, and I just did a little daft video for my personal channel from absolutely ages ago. Spam, you can see there. This is an ABC store where it's like a massive brand in Hawaii. And we actually found an ABC store in Kefalonia, one of my previous videos. Totally different company, but I wore my Hawaiian ABC store when I went to visit the ABC store in Kefalonia, and the staff there were absolutely blown away. I'll put a link in the top corner if you want to have a look at that video. Anyway, just a bit of fun, like I said, nothing serious.